This is Dorothy Rose. She's a 56-foot 8-inch semi-trad narrowboat, and she was built in 2007 by Cheshire Narrowboats on a shell from Mike Christian. Cratch covered well deck. There's also a tonneau cover over the semi-trad deck. Propulsion is by a Beta Marine 38 horsepower diesel engine. That was serviced in March 2026. So stepping on board from the forward well deck into the saloon, she's a traditional layout boat. Solid fuel stove complements the Webasto diesel central heating. Cosy saloon, carpet on the floor, L-shaped sofa bed. That makes a 6-foot by 4-foot double berth. Into the U-shaped galley. Laminate worktops, gas hob, a fridge and separate freezer, and a gas oven and grill as well in here. Opposite the galley, set of side doors, and the fit out is in oak ply. Some of it has been painted. Flooring is a mix of carpet, vinyl and laminate. Into the bathroom, cassette toilet, wash basin, shower over the bath, laminate linings. Hot water is heated by the engine boiler and immersion. And then moving into the aft bedroom, 6'4" by 4-foot double berth. Storage over. And some useful cupboards and a wardrobe. At the aft here is your electrical cupboard, and there is a 1 kilowatt inverter in there. 4 cabin batteries, 105 amp hours each, and there is also a 25 amp battery charger. So we'll just take another walk back through Dorothy Rose. She's here at North Kilworth Marina. Do give us a call to arrange a viewing, 01788 822 115. The full details, more photos and the brochure can be downloaded from our website at www.abnb.co.uk. There is also a hull inspection report available to read, and that was conducted in January 2026. So do give us a call on 01788 822 115, and we'll be really happy to book you a viewing and show you on board.